you agree with me that CPA marketing is one of the oldest business in Nigeria and all over the country? And what is CPA marketing? If this is the first time you guys are hearing the word CPA marketing, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can make money with CPA marketing and what CPA marketing is. So, my name is Olufemi Joshua, and if this is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, make sure you support us, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. And I really want to thank our existing subscribers for getting us to 1K. I really appreciate everybody for staying with us through the journey, through thick and thin. Thank you so much. So in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can make money with CPA marketing. And one of the CPA marketing platforms we'll be using is what we call CPA Grip. CPA Grip. If this is the first time you're hearing about CPA Grip, make sure you drop it in the comment section, or if you know about any other CPA marketing platform that we can use, drop it in the comment section so that other people like me and some other fellows like me can learn from you. So what is CPA marketing? CPA marketing is actually cost per acquisition. And what does that actually mean? So cost per acquisition means that there are some companies, there are some particular set of people that are looking for people to promote their business. How CPA marketing actually works is that you get to a particular CPA platform. So when you sign up on that particular CPA platform, and when you get on that platform, you're going to find some tax. Maybe some clients are looking for, some businesses are looking for people to sign up on their platform, or people to text their app, or people to do mini tax for them. Probably they need some lead, they need some comment on a post, they need to promote a particular product or something. So that is what CPA marketing actually is. So the moment you get to the platform and you start doing this tax for them, they will start paying you. Calm down, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about CPA marketing in today's tutorial. So the platform we'll be using is CPA Grip, cpagrip.com. So cpagrip.com is one of the platforms that you can come to and you are going to start making your money. And you all will agree with me that CPA marketing is actually like affiliate marketing. You are affiliating the particular website. Maybe you're promoting their particular products. They need you to sign up for them. They need lead, they need list. So come to the platform cpagrip.com and sign up on the platform. So immediately sign up on the platform. It will take around 24 hours for them to verify your account. And after verifying your account, the first page you're going to get to is what you're seeing on the screen right now. So this is the first page you're going to get to. So when you get to this particular page, this is the dashboard, and as you can see a lot of people on the platform, a lot of earnings, and it's been a while I operate this account, and that is why you're seeing $0.0 on this particular account. And as you can see, new account must earn a minimum of $25 before participating in the public chat. This is the public chat. So before you can participate in this, you must have at least $2.5 if this is actually a new account. And I think this account is actually around 2019, 2020 or so. So let me show you how you can start getting jobs without wasting much of your time, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. So the next thing you have to do is go back to where you have offer to. So just click on my offers. And if you're wondering that must I have a laptop before I can participate in CPA marketing, that might not be true. It's just that there will be limitation on some kind of jobs you're going to get. So as you can see, you can use a filter on this particular page. You can choose the country, you can choose the category, statistics, and you can search for things. And you can see you have the mobile view, you can choose the whole or desktop if you are using iOS or you are using Android. So you can actually choose the particular task that you want to perform for them. So as you can see, let's say we're choosing Nigeria, and this is what these people actually need from. This is what they actually need from you. So they need email. They need people to sign up on this particular platform. And the moment you sign up on this particular platform, so this is what you will actually be getting per lead you get for them. So you're going to be getting $0.10 on this particular platform. And there are a lot of other things too. As you can see, they need people to sign up on this particular place too, and they will get $0.13. But a lot of you will be wondering, when will I get to $200, a large amount of money and you're wondering. So the next thing you can do to get high paying jobs is to choose another country. Let's say we choose Germany. So let's wait a bit for that to load. So let's say mobile installation, maybe they need people to install a particular app or something for them. So let's wait a bit for that to load. So actually there's no offer available in that particular country. So let's check. They need people to submit their credit card. So let's wait for that to load. Germany, there's no offer for that. So let's choose another country. Let's choose maybe like USA, United States. So let's check for the credit card. That's because the country, my particular country that I'm using. But let's try and check all countries. Let's check all countries credit card. So you can see there are other countries that you can actually, when people submit their credit card on that particular platform, you are going to get $12.83 per credit card. You're going to get $29.09 per credit card they submit on that particular platform. And let me show you the mobile install. So if you tell your friend to sign up on a particular platform or help you to install a particular app, let's see the amount of money you will be getting through that. So let's wait for that to load a bit. So let's wait. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that right now. This is the right time to do that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell for more updates like this. So let's wait a bit for that to load. But you can explore other platforms, you can explore other options. You can see you have, when people drop their credit card, you can get $8.5, you can get $5.9. So let's say for example, and you're getting 10 of this in a day, you have 10 sign up in a day. This is the amount of money you will be getting on the platform. So let's wait for that to load a bit and see what we can make out of that. I think the amount is somehow still low. The amount is low. Then let's check pin submission. Let's check pin submit. All countries. So you can be in Nigeria and you're promoting for all the countries. And at the end of this week, I'll be dropping another video on CPA Grid where you can self-click this offer. For example, you are the one getting the offer, you are the one doing the offer yourself, and you are getting your money. I will show you that very soon. Then how do I apply for this job? You're just seeing a lot of jobs here. Okay, let's say we're going with this one. How do I apply? Click on the link, click on the title and the description right here. So when you click on that, wait for that to load a bit. As you can see, this is what you'll be promoting. You don't need to check, you don't need to stress yourself about this thing you're seeing right here. So what you just have to do is copy the link and send it to anywhere you want to promote it, anywhere you just want to put it to. Just put it there and you're going to get what you want to, you're going to get your revenue back in your account. So we've come to the end of the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and I'll be showing you how you can promote your offer on this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, guys.